in putting up with these ideogenic natures of various people. And that nature and belief is the character and personality. Now, like you asked, a part of the reason that people do not like to have their belief system challenged is because there is a psychological component to that. It is because if their belief systems are challenged, then their very ground gets disturbed to their belief that holds the validity between the relationship between the map and the world itself. Now, that is concerning, right? It might also, in many ways, be a threat to their perceived social status, because social status is the way people have been granted position in a dominant hierarchy. Now, imagine if that is threatened. If that is threatened, then their very claim to the validity of that position, that identity, that role, that designation, all of that gets slipped out of their hand. Life, identity, capability, and all of that. Now, that is even more concerning, because their position in a social hierarchy and their perception of that position is one of the most important things that regulates people's emotion. So like I said, it is psychological, and that's the reason why people do not like their belief systems to be challenged. Yeah, and that is what we will be discussing in the second part of the lecture.